Recently, Kuzguncuk is a neighborhood frequently preferred by Istanbulites. Kuzguncuk, where the restoration of old houses has accelerated, continues to bear the characteristics of traditional Bosphorus villages to some extent. Icadia Street is known as the main street of Kuzguncuk. Many streets, cafes, restaurants, bookstores, galleries, and antique shops in Kuzguncuk are located on this street. The most beautiful part of Kuzguncuk is undoubtedly its houses and mansions. Although they have suffered great damage in the fires that have occurred so far, some of them have been restored in the same way. In this way, Kuzguncuk still maintains its nostalgic aspect. Kuzguncuk was a Jewish village in the Ottoman Empire. The Jewish presence in Kuzguncuk dates back to 1492, when Jews first started to come to Ottoman lands due to the genocide they suffered in Spain. So much so that Kuzguncuk is known as one of the first places where the Jews who took refuge in the Ottomans settled. Later, Greeks also started to settle here. Today, the Jewish and Greek population in Kuzguncuk is almost non-existent. Kuzguncuk, where Jewish, Greek, and Armenian citizens formed the majority 70, 80 years ago in Üsküdar, has now become a neighborhood where Muslims constitute the majority. Kuzguncuk Garden is a place where people who come to Kuzguncuk love to take photos. This orchard in the city is a place where vegetables such as tomatoes, peppers, and spinach are planted. Armenian Serp Krikor Lusarovich Church, Bet Yakov Synagogue, and the Kuzguncuk Mosque, who are very close together in Kuzguncuk, attracts the attention of those who see it. Kuzguncuk, where three faiths live together, stands out with its culture of tolerance. You can easily reach Kuzgunjuk via Üsküdar. Every public bus departing from the bus stop in front of Üsküdar Pier goes to Kuzgunjuk.